everyone, in this video we cover the APIs Explorer Quick Start. So let's start to solve it. Now click on the Start Lab. Now open the console. Next, password, go back, copy the password and paste here, Ctrl V. Next, now from this menu select the cloud storage. Here is the cloud storage. Click on it. Now here click on bucket. Here is bucket, so click on it. Now click on create. So go back, task number 1. So now copy this bucket name, copy, go back here and paste here, Ctrl V. Scroll down and choose how to control the access of object. This, click on choose how to control access to object. So click on it. Now from this uncheck this unforced public access, this one, so uncheck this. Now select a find granted access, so find this one, so select this and now simply click on create. So now here bucket is created successfully. Now go back here in the lab, scroll down and check my progress. So here we complete the task number 1 successfully. Now task number 2. So task number 2, for that copy this image in your PC. So just save it, save this image, so save as, and the name is here, save the image in the demo image.jpg, so Ctrl C. Make sure you save the image as demo image.jpg, so save as. Rename this, Ctrl V and save. Now next step, here. Now click on upload here, upload file, and select demo image, select this and open. Go back and what is the next instruction? check my progress. So just click on it, check my progress. So we successfully complete this one also. Now go back here. Now click on three vertical dots, this. Click on it. And from this select edit access. Edit access. Click on it. Now from this click on here plus add entry. Now select this entity first, public. Now name all user, and next from this access reader. So it is by default selected, so no need to change anything. Now just click on save. Now go back here and check my progress. Check my progress. So we successfully complete this task. Now task number 3, make a result to a Cloud Vision API services. For that, go to the console. From this open the menu. Now search for API and services. So here API and services, click on it. Now from this select this enable APIs and services. Click on it. Now search here Cloud Vision. Cloud Vision API. Now click on it, Cloud Vision API, and check this enable or not. And from this open this, try this API. Now task number 4. So object name must be unique within a given bucket, so it is true. Then when the object is shared publicly, then any user with a knowledge of the object URL can access the object as long as the object public, so it is also true. Now here complete we hold the lab and we get 100 out of 100 also. So just click on end the lab and end the lab.